Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss the importance of first client. I have discussed the sources in my another video on which you can get your first client easily than the other platforms. For the first client, you will have no experience of professional world and you will be not familiar with anything. You may made some mistake, but one thing to make sure is to make your client satisfied for the very first client, because that first client will be sourced to many other clients in the future. I remember when I had my first client, it was very hectic for me. I charged him so less, and in future I had some useful clients, some valuable clients from that particular person. And another thing, that you have to charge your client according to his budget. You don't have to charge more, because later on you can increase your charges. You can say, okay, if you can pay me $50 for this, I can do this, otherwise no. But for the first client, if we say I have $10 and the work is like of 10 days, still do this, because he is your first client and he will start the chain for your journey. Whatever your niche is, it is 3D animation, it is programming, you have to value your first customer and always provide service after payment. After the client has made payment, don't say, okay, he is gone and now I have my money. No, you have to provide full service so that he will be a returning in the future. And for the fact, I have more returning clients than any other source, more returning clients or more referenced clients. So you have to value your client, whoever it will be first, second, third, 10th, 100th. Value your client so that he will be a returning, or he will make your references to other useful persons. So that's it for today's video. Value your first client. You can find your first client from the video. I will add the link in the description. There I have discussed some of the platforms. Okay ji.